Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Untitled Chapter, and I've lost my skizzers. Oh, there they are. Phew, I was like, uh-oh, where'd they go? I have an unboxing here. It's a Diamond Art Club. I actually have two that showed up in the same, well, if I could get this in there. I actually have two that arrived together. Now, this one here that I'm getting ready to open is a big one, and there's no way I can do both of them in one video because it would take like 1,000,002 years. So we're just going to do one at a time. Anxious to get into this one though because it's so pretty. It is a square. Look, guys, it's Brookside Retreat by Chuck Pinson. Oh my God, and it's big. I didn't realize it was this big. I know his diamond paintings, his canvases are always like massive, which I'm fine with. I mean, I don't care to work on the bigger, like, beast canvases, but this one is big. Holy cow, how big is it? Okay, it's a 93 by 70 centimeter. It's a big one. All right, now we open it up here. While I'm opening this, you guys can let me know in the comments how you're doing. This is not a new release. I've had this for a while, so but it took me a little bit to get it ready to unbox. Okay, so if you are if you've never seen a square toolkit from Diamond Art Club, it's basically the same thing as the toolkit you get with the round canvases, only you get a black pair of tweezers, like the pointy tweezers. So that's cool. Okay, good Lord, look at this big honking bag of drills. Look at that. Oh my God. It's huge, but look at all those beautiful colors. Nice. And then you get your step-by-step instructions. Hold on just a second. Let me lay this out so that it can rest. Oh my God, it's so big. Oh Lordy D. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it down here. Just kind of let it chill out and rest and relax for a second. Okay, so here, as I was saying, you get your step-by-step instructions from Diamond Art Club with instructions on how to diamond paint. I think they even tell you like how to hang. Oh, Joey's got a toy in the hallway. Never fails. But then you also get a little 10% off coupon on your next purchase. Very cool. And then here is our sticker. Did I get a small sticker? Yeah, no I didn't. Where's it at? Did I lose it? Did I miss it? Oh, I see it. I found it. It was in the bottom of the box. There it is. Brookside Retreat by Chuck Pinson. Okay. But here's our big sticker. You can see the picture. Isn't that beautiful? The sky reminds me a lot of inspiration at Spring Meadows, but there's no mountainside back in the back. However, there are a lot of trees. The cabin, the deer, there's some little swans. And then we have, oh look, there's even two little like lanterns here and here on the path to the cabin. So pretty. Looks like this is a fence. Oh yeah, there's a fence. And then there's even a little baby deer right there. So that's a mama and a daddy deer. And then back here you can see barely, the back porch of the cabin. There's like a little back porch there. Super pretty. All the details, all the flowers. It's just beautiful. Okay. Oh, this one has 55 colors here. And it has 2 ABs. It looks like a yellow and a green AB. Okay, now we'll go ahead and flip it over and take a look at it. That's big. Whoa. That's so big. I can't get it all into the camera. There's no way I can get it all into the camera. So I'll just have to move it around as I can. But we'll start here at the top of it. So here we have, like I said, we got a lot of the sunlight, the trees. We have the top of the cabin here. And then over here we have the chimney with the purple and red, like redbud tree, I assume. There's the back porch that I was talking about. Look at that stone. Look at the windows. They've got their windows like those old style shutters, you know. Pretty cool. And then there's even little barrels. You can see the little wooden barrels here on the porch. Okay, and then we have the deer, we have the fence and the baby deer. More flowers. Look at this water. The water is like, looks like it's moving, you know, like you can see. It's just so pretty. And then here we have our swans. And then we have, is that supposed to be a little butterfly or a fish coming out of the water? Can't really tell. Let me look at the paper. Yeah, I think it's a butterfly. Okay, and then we have more flowers. Here's the lanterns. Those lanterns are going to look really nice. Well, you can't even see what I'm doing. Here, let me scoot you over. Here's the lanterns on the path to the cabin. And here looks like we have a little, is that like a bucket? Looks like a little bucket. And then we have these rocks. So pretty. And then down here we have the rest of the flowers. Sorry guys, I'm throwing you every which way. But here we have more flowers. Lots and lots of pretty flowers. But it's absolutely stunning. It's just so big. I can't fit it all into the camera. But look at that, how gorgeous it is. Oh, I don't know when I'll start this one. But it very much reminds me of inspiration of Spring Meadows. I think just because of the colors and of the sun coming in. Oh, it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's look at the drills. As usual, I'll go ahead and show you really quickly. This has the legend. Diamond Art Club always has the legend on the left side of the canvas and on the right side of the canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this back and check the sticky. Yep, very sticky. Okay, now we'll go ahead and open these up. This is a huge honking bag of drills. God, look at that. There's so many. I don't remember how big the inspiration of Spring Meadows was. Was it this big? I don't remember. Okay, we'll start with one strand and then go as we go, right? I'm going to pull you in closer to me so I can see what I am doing. Move in closer so I can see. Okay, you guys ready to check these colors out? All right, we have some, and these are square. The squares look really good, by the way. Except for that, look at that big old piece of trash right there. You see that? Big, long, skinny, like, piece of trash. I don't know what that's all about, but, and then there's one that's got a little hole in the top. But, anyway, they always give a lot of extra drills, so that's good. See a little bit of concaved. Here's like a concaved drill right there. Can you see that? Okay. I know that they've been working on their drills, but overall, they look good. We'll see, you know, when you go to work on it, what kind of quality. But for the most part, they look pretty good. So, okay, we'll go ahead and start with the colors. We have some 977, some 3371, a few bags of that. Some 935, a few bags of that. Several bags of that. Some 3855, some 3837, 841, 150, 3864, 433, 3787, 647. Sorry, Jolie is having a time in there in the hallway. Her daddy's supposed to be watching her, but he's not doing a very good job. Okay, and then we have some 640. Few bags of that. 3854, 937. A few bags of that. 3346. Few bags of that. 938 and 977. Okay, some 647. That's a pretty sage green. I love that color. 934. Quite a few bags of that. 745. 3024. 470. 3021. 414. 434. 3023. 3064, 435, 898, 471, and 738. One more string. Okay, some 738. Some 3607. That is a beautiful pink color. 602, 317, 600, 601, some 327, 208, 135 is a pretty green AB. That's that pretty green color. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, then we have some 3830, 3776, 498, 915, 129. That's our pretty light yellow, buttery yellow looking AB. It's gorgeous. Gorgeousness. 413 is a pretty gray. 165, 209, 3033, 3608, 798, 318, 900, 891, 976, 334, $5.50, pretty grape purple color, and $3.40. And that is it. That's all of the colors. You want to find out where the ABs are at? Let's look. Okay. That number 1 AB, the pretty buttery yellow, is the number 1. And I'm assuming it would be up here somewhere. Oh, here's some. We have some over here. There's a yellow drill literally stuck to this canvas. I don't know where that came from. Let's see. There wasn't a whole lot of that color, but I see some here. Okay, I see some down here at the bottom. Here's a little spray of them right there. Here's a few little ones in there. In the swans, there's some. Here's a little bit in the water right over here at the edge. Here's some. And then there's some over here. Oops, sorry. There's some in the lantern here. And then there's some right here. So there's not a ton of those, but, oh, and there looks like to be a little bit in the roof up here of the cabin. Right there. Okay, and then the green one is number 2. And instantly I see some of the green ABs that are gonna go through here, in here, here, down here, all throughout this green part, across the whole painting, all of the, like a lot of, just sprinkled throughout the greens here, the bright greens. We have some down here, all throughout there. Here, here's some, there's some down here. And then I'm spying some up here at the top. We have some in the trees, just a few little ones here in the trees. And then also here in the trees, there's a big little a little clump of them right here. And then here. And I hear Jolie crying. No idea why. And there's some up here as well. So yeah, that's it for the ABs. Oh, there's a few little ones here in the roof of the cabin as well. Huh, that's strange. So right there we have some green ABs. Just a couple here, a couple there, a couple there. But anyway, yeah, this is gorgeous. That's all I have for this unboxing. It's a pretty big unboxing, wouldn't you agree? It's beautiful though. Let me know in the comments if you've snagged this one. If you've worked on this one already, if you've already completed this one already. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Yeah, Jolie's upset. Probably gonna have to go check on her because, yeah, I hear her crying. Okay, I don't know if you can hear her. But anyway, I'll let you guys go. I'm going to go check on the baby, see what's up with her. You guys, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe and the notification bell, ding, 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 to get notified the next time I upload another video. You guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.